Hello students, today let us go to our lesson 3 exercise. Lesson 3 exercise rounding off numbers. Lesson 3 rounding off numbers. How to round the numbers. See here, first self practice 3A. Self practice 3A. We will see the first exercise. Self practice 3A. Self practice 3A. Students, now see the first question. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. The first question, round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. Question number A is 68 and B is 45 and C is 31 and D is 542. See this, we have to round the number to nearest 10. We know the place value chart. Place value chart. Yes, no, whatever the given number, we will tell ones place, tens place. Yes, no, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So now let us see everything in the ones place. The last digit. See the last digit. See the ones place. See the ones place. If the ones place is, the given number is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If the given number is, see the ones place, what number is coming? If in the ones place, among this any digit coming, means you have to put the ones place 0, just ones place 0. Then any other digit from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From this any digit coming means you have to put the ones place 0 and with the with the tens place you have to add 1. Tens place add 1. Just first identify what is the digit coming in the ones place. See here, if the ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this any digit coming 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See this, here 8 coming. If the ones place 8 coming, what we will do means to round off the nearest 10. So nearest 10 means we can tell this 68 is between 60 or 70, which is the nearest 10. Multiple of 10 only we have to tell. 45, it is between 40 and 50. 31, it is between 30 and 40. 542, nearest 10 is 540 or 550. So all the given numbers coming in the middle, we have to tell which is the nearest 10. Nearest 10. So to see the nearest 10, first see the ones place. If the ones place coming 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, what we will do? Ones place is 0. Instead of 8, if the ones place coming, 8, see 8 coming. What we have to do? We have to do the plus 1. You have to add one number to the tens place. You have to add one number to the tens place. Okay, tens place you have to add one number. So it is 8. So digit 8 coming. So 6 plus 1 how much? 7. 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 and this 8 you have to write 0. 70. Yes, 70. See the number 45. 45. So I told you in between this given digit, in this 5 coming. If the digit 5 coming, what we will do? Ones place 0. We will do ones place 0 and with the tens place, since 5, no, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, any digit coming, you have to add 1 to the tens place. So 4 plus 1, 5. Answer is 50. Now if See that if the given digit is not 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and different digit like 1, 2 coming in that from 0 to 4 any digit coming, what we will do? So see the ones place again. Compare the ones place. If the ones place is from this any digit, see the 1 is given no. Since 1 is given, what we will do? Ones place 0 and we will not add 1 to the tens place. We will not add anything to the tens place. Just as it is, write 3 only. Okay. See here 2 given. 2. It is less than 5. If the number less than 5 means, if the number less than 5, just this 2 ones place you have to write 0. Ones place you have to write 0 and remaining whatever the digits there, write the digits here. 54. 54 is the 540 is the answer. So see the nearest 10, this is the answer. Now let us go to our next second question, nearest 100. They are telling you to find the nearest 100. The given number A, it is nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10. Now we are going to find nearest 100. The second question, nearest 100. Second question, to find the nearest 100. A 675. So what is the nearest 100? Here we are seeing nearest 10 means like a multiple of 10. Nearest 100 means like multiple of 100. 100, 200, 300, 500, 900 like this. Okay, multiple of 100. Then B is 582. C question is 3219 and D question is 6240. Students, now listen. Here to make the number to nearest 10, we are seeing the ones digit. According to that, we are changing the tens value. But now see this, to round the number to nearest 100, we have to see the value of the second place. We have to see the second digit, tens place. To make the number to nearest, change the number to nearest 100, you have to see the tens place. You know the place value, ones, tens, 100. So see the tens place. Same rule, the rule how you applied here, same rule you have to follow here. Just see the, if the given digit is 5 and above, what we will do? Just add one number to the hundreds place and the remaining digit is ones place, tens place is 0. If the given, see this 675. So nearest 100 is, see 7 coming. If 7 coming, what we will do? 7 coming means with the hundreds place you have to add plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. And the ones place, tens place you have to write 0, 0. So 700 is the nearest 100. 582. The given number is here what? 8. If the given 5 and above any digit means you have to add plus 1 to what? Where? In the hundreds place. So 5 plus 1, 6. And the ones place, tens place you have to write 0, 0. So 0, 0. And with the hundredth place, since it is 8, add one number here, plus 1. Okay, 5 plus 1, 6. Say this one, 3219. Just if the given number less than 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. If given digit is less than 5, what we will do? We will not change the hundred place. Just same number only will write. Okay, no need to increase plus 1. Same number you have to write. So ones place, tens place is 0, 0. Ones place, tens place 0, 0. And the hundreds place, thousands place, same number right. 3, 2. This is the answer. Don't increase. If the number is less than 5, you should not increase the hundreds place. It is 4. If the given number is 4, what you will do? 1's place 0, 10's place 0, and remaining number same number. Understand? Now let us go to our next exercise. So, next question 3. Next question 3, that is nearest, you have to find the nearest 100. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 1000. Third question, first 2992, B is 5644, C is 4367, and D is 7881. So now we are going to round the number to nearest 1000. To round the number to nearest 1000, now you have to look at the 100 space. To round the number to nearest 1000, look at the 100 space. Now look at the 100 space. To round the number to nearest 1000, you have to look at the which place? 100 space you have to look at. Then only you have to change the 1000 space. Now we are going to find the nearest 1000. So same rule. If the digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, no change. Okay? No change. But if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to add plus 1, add one number to the what is the required digit you have to add. See here, to round the number to nearest thousands, look at the 100 place. Here 9 coming. Since 9 coming, what you will do? In the thousands place, you have to add plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. What you will do? 1's place 0, 10's place 0, 100's place 0. 0, 0, 0, and since it is 9, what will do? 2 plus 1, 3. And see this one, the given digit is here 8, the given digit is here 6. 6 coming. If the given digit from above 5 means with the thousands place what we will change? Add plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. And the 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, write 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 1, 6. See this number. If the given digit is, see the given digit here 3 coming. So nearest 1000. Nearest 1000, like multiple of 1000 only. You have to tell in 1000. It is 4367. Nearest 1000 is 4000 or 5000. That is the answer. Anyone you have to tell. So since 3 is there. 3 means less than 5, what you will do? Less than 5, less than 5, 1's place 0, 10's place 0, 100's place 0, and the 1000's place same number, right? Since 3 is there, don't change. You should not change anything. Same number. Now see the last question. Now it is given 8 here. So with the 1000's place, what we will change? Add plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. And 1's place 0, 10's place 0, 100's place 0, and 1000's place 7 plus 1, 8. This is the answer. Like this you have to do. See now, here to round the number to nearest 1000, you have to look at the 100's place. You have to look at the 100th place, and based on the 100th place, above 5 or less than 5, you have to change the 1000's place and write. Yes, no, this is the answer. Next, we will go to the fourth question. Give the approximation of the following numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. They have given one question and told you to complete. You have to find the nearest 100, 1000, 10, everything. Question A, 832. Give the approximation of the following number to the nearest 10. What is the nearest 10 to this? Nearest 10. 832. So nearest 10 will come 830 or 840. So what is the nearest 10? Look at the rules. According to the rules, in the ones place 2 coming. If 2 coming, what we will do? 2 coming means nearest 10. Nearest 10. Answer is ones place 0, yes, no? And the remaining digit, same number. This is the answer. So nearest 10, next nearest 100 how much? Nearest 100, 832. What is the nearest number? 800 or 900? To find this, which digit you have to look now? You have to see the tens place. To round the number to nearest 100, to round the number to nearest 100, look at the tens place. Here 3 coming. Again the same rule. If the digit less than 5, no change. Ones place 0, tens place 0, and with the 100 place same number, no change. 8 only. And next one, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. So what is the nearest 1000? 832. Given digit is 832. It's 1000 or 2000 or 3000. What is the answer? Nearest 1000 you have to tell. To round the number to nearest 1000, you have to look at which place? To round the number to nearest 1000, you have to look at the hundreds place. Look at the hundreds place here. Here the hundreds place is 8. If the hundreds place 8, what we will do? To the thousands place, we will add 1. We will increase 1 to the thousands place. So since 8 is there, thousands place, write 1. Thousands place, you are increasing 1. And ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0. Yes, this is the nearest 1000. Next one, they told you B1 is given 783. 783. Nearest 10. What is the nearest 10? 783. Since 3 coming, less than 5 means nearest 10. Nearest 10 is 780. Round the number to nearest 100. To round the number nearest 100, look at the tens place. 8 is there. Since 8 is there, increase 1 to the 100 place. 8, 7 plus 1, 8. So nearest 100 is 800. And what is the nearest 1000 to this? Look at, to round the number to nearest 1000, look at the hundreds place. Since it is 7 coming, above 5 means, since 7 is there, that is above 5. So add 1 plus 1 to the thousands place, 1000 place. So 1, then 1's place, 10's place, 100's place is 0. Nearest 1000 is 1000. And see the D question. D that shows that 9483. So what is the nearest 10? Nearest 10, 9483. Nearest 10, look at the 1. Nearest 10, we will always say 1's place. 1's place 3, that is less than 5. If less than 5, just 1's place is 0 and the remaining number same number, right? 9, 4, 8. Whatever digit coming, same number, right? So 1's place. And next nearest 100. Now to make the number to nearest 100, consider the nearest 100. Whether it's 400 or 500, 9400 or 500. So to round the number to nearest 100, look at the tens place. Since it's 8 coming, 8 is above 5. If the digit coming above 5, we will increase 1 plus 1 to the 100 place. So since it is 8, 4 plus 1 how much? 5. Answer is it is 9 5 ones place tens place 0 ones place tens place 0 and with the hundreds place since tens place 8 plus 1 so 9 5. So what is the nearest 1000? To round the number to nearest 1000, look at the hundreds place. 4 coming. 4 is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0, and the 1000 place whatever the remaining digit, write it just 9. 9000 is the answer. Remaining questions, kindly just follow this simple rule. This just if you follow it, you can understand it. And remaining question, kindly do as a homework. Whatever question we not done, complete it as a homework and complete your copy. Thank you.